Forex Indicators Lesson 10, Forex Pivot Points. Pivot points are technical indicators that help you determine potential support and resistance areas. But, unlike Fibonacci, a pivot point uses set calculations of the previous day's highs, lows, and closing prices to plot these levels, so they're much more objective. This type of indicator is especially useful for day traders. One way of using pivot points is to enter the market in the direction of the breakout. Take a look here. The price has dropped to R1 level, so we can buy and set our target price to the next resistance line. The first target would be here at the R2 and the second target here at the R3. Traders often use candlestick analysis to trade the reversals at pivot points. To illustrate here, as the prices form the bullish engulfing signal at S1, we could buy the market with the targets at pivot level and R1.